Can I take your order, sir? Can I take your order, sir? Water is very important for life. Water is very important for life. Where are you going? Where are you going? Sorry, I can't talk right now. Sorry, I can't talk right now. How much are these? How much are these? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? I am very happy today. I am very happy today. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Sorry, I can't right now. Sorry, I can't right now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Don't repeat this mistake. Don't repeat this mistake. He is addicted to alcohol. He is addicted to alcohol. Take care of your health. Take care of your health. Can I use your laptop? Can I use your laptop? Can I open the window? Can I open the window? I totally agree with you. I totally agree with you. I am glad to hear that. I am glad to hear that. Don't laugh at the floor. Don't laugh at the floor. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? Please speak more slowly. Please speak more slowly. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? I am busy with my job. I am busy with my job. Don't touch your face. Don't touch your face. Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? I am extremely sorry. I am extremely sorry. That's a good question. That's a good question. I am thinking about you. I am thinking about you. I prefer to read in the library. I prefer to read in the library. Finish your homework. Finish your homework. Don't quarrel with each other. Don't quarrel with each other. Welcome to our house. Welcome to our house. Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? What is your phone number? What is your phone number? I think you are right. I think you are right. Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. Don't enter without permission. Don't enter without permission. I am sorry to hear that. I am sorry to hear that. I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible.